Some important questions from English literature. Analyze an elegy on the death of John Keats, author of Endymion, Hyperion, etc., is a pastoral elegy written by P.B. Shelley. In Memoriam, H. by Alfred Lord Tennyson laments the death of Arthur Hallam. Lycidas is an elegy by Milton. Here he laments the death of Edward King, who was his classmate. In Memory of W.B. Yeats was an elegy written by W.H. Auden. These are the famous 4 elegies in English literature. Justice Shallow is a character in the drama The Merry Wives of Windsor, who is a fictional character who appears in 3 plays of Shakespeare: John Falstaff, in Henry IV and Part First, and Henry V, and then Merry Wives of Windsor. He appears in these plays. Falstaff dies in which battle? Battle of Agincourt. Falstaff was the companion of which prince? Prince Hal, Henry V of England, as prince before his accession to throne. Falstaff's death is mentioned in which play? Henry V. The sleepwalking scene is in which play? Macbeth. Gravedigger's scene is in which play? Hamlet. The Feast of Lupercal, the Festival of Lupercal. The Festival of Lupercal is presented in which play? Julius Caesar. The Murder of Gonzaga, also known as the Mouse Trap, is in which play? Hamlet. The Potter scene is in which play? Macbeth. The Spanish tragedy was written by Thomas Gage. Full title of Spanish tragedy: Hieronymo is Mad Again. Belle Imperia's lover Andrea was killed by whom? Balthazar. Who is Horatius' father? Hieronymo. The Fairy Queen is an epic poem and it is written by whom? Edmund Spenser. Who wrote A Defense of Poetry? It's an essay by P.B. Shelley. Which is the first English tragedy? Gorboduc. Gorboduc was written by Sackville and Norton. The original title Gorboduc, the tragedy of Gorboduc, or Ferrex. Amority is a series of 88 sonnets. It was written by Edmund Spenser. The Spenser's Calendar is a pastoral poem written by Edmund Spenser.